Hey guys, how can you write Python code and execute it in your Android phone using Termux? So this is what I'm going to show you today. The first thing you need is Termux, of course. The next thing you need is a code editor, and that's what I'm going to show you today, how to download and set it up, okay? So now go to your browser and type in the word Acode. Then you'll find the first link, click on it. It will take you to their official website, okay? So the website is acode.app. So Acode is a code editor similar to VS Code or maybe IntelliJ or maybe PyCharm or any other code editor that you know and use in your laptop. Okay, so we are going to install it. So scroll down, you're going to see these two links. You can either download it from F-Droid or Play Store. So this one is okay to load from anywhere. So let's click on Play Store. It will open Play Store. I have downloaded it. Okay, so now what you do, just open it. Open. So this is what it looks like. So it's opening. Yeah, you can allow notifications since it's your first time setting it up. Acode can check new updates. Yeah. So this is just a welcome screen. Forget about it. Okay, you can close it. So now we have installed our code editor of choice. Okay, the next thing you need to do, let's go to Termux and actually create our project. So go back to Termux. Let's create our Python file. Okay, so we are at the root directory of our Termux. The next thing you need to do, we need to create a directory that we're going to use in Acode. So you can do mkdir to create a new directory. Let's call it dev. I like to put all my coding stuff in a dev directory. Okay, then let's go to dev. Let's go inside dev. So we are in dev. If you do ls, you'll not see anything. Okay, then let's create one more. You don't have to do this. Let's just create one more folder that will have our Python code. Okay, so let's mkdir. Let's call it coding. Okay, let's move into it. Coding. Excuse my typing. Now we are in it. There's nothing here. Now let's create a Python file. Use the touch command to create a new file. So do touch. So this is a Linux command, not necessarily a Termux command, but it's a Linux command. So do app.py. You can call it anything. Okay, nice. So now we have our file. If you ls, you will see it. We have our file now. This is where our Python code will go. Okay, so now go back to your code editor, Acode. So at this point, Acode still is unaware of that file that we created in Termux. So we need to tell it this file is here, and we write code in it, then we'll run it in Termux. The first thing we need to do is click on this icon, then click on open folder. So at this point, Acode is still unaware of our Python file because we've not connected Acode to Termux. Okay, so what you need to do is click on this, add a storage, then click on select folder. What you need to do is click on these three buttons and click on Termux. Now it will see Termux. This one you will see. So click on Termux and go to the directory that you created the file in. So it was in dev, then coding, then here is where we started at. Okay, now click use this folder, allow, and okay. So that's all you need to do. So at this point, Acode can now see your Termux. So it can see the folder that you created your Python file in. Okay, so you can click on it, then click on OK. So now you can see we have our folder here. You can see our Python file. Click on it to open it. Nice. So now we have successfully connected our Acode with our Termux. So whatever I write here, I can run it in Termux because now they are connected. Okay, so let's write some code. So I'm going to create a variable called name. Then I'm going to make it equal to the string common, C-O-M-O-N, common. Okay, then I'm just going to print it just so that we don't get into a lot of things. So print, and you can see it has some really good code suggestion. So print. So I'm going to say my name is, then I'll put a comma and say name. Okay, so this is going to print my name is common in the terminal. Okay, then just save. Right, and now let's open Termux and run it. Remember, we are in the same directory, so if you ls, you'll see your upload.py file. Then now we need to run it like this: Python, then say app.py. There it is, guys. So you see we've successfully printed hello common. So this shows that we have successfully written a Python program in our Android phone and actually executed it in our Android phone using Termux and Acode editor. So that's how you do it, guys.